Hey, aloha everybody. I am here in Waikiki and I just got the new Magsafe Dual charger. I got this over at the local Honolulu Apple store. Walked the whole mile out to get it, and they're really a little bit hard to find right now, and I just really wanted to try one out and share with you whether or not I thought, with my initial impressions, if it's worth the money. It's an eye-watering $129. So let's go ahead and get started. In typical fashion now, they make a nice, simple to open tab that you just pull, and that just pulls off the plastic. All right. This is, of course, designed by Apple in California, made in China. There's a model number A2458. It's compatible with Magsafe for iPhone with later version of iOS and Apple Watch, the latest version of Watch OS. Now, even though it says it's only compatible with the latest versions, it's going to be actually compatible with any Qi-enabled product from what I've seen. All right, this is a really nice box, nice and very clean aesthetic. First impression, wow, that just clips like that. Super compact, feels a little bit more flimsier than I thought it would be. And I can see myself getting this really dirty really easily. There's no stitching or fake stitching on the side, as you can see right over here. It is just basically, like they just laser seamed, heat sealed the sides, kind of like in a jacket. And this is not exactly the soft silicone that you have in the watch. It's not the same elastomer. I kind of wish that they used the same thing. Looks pretty good. This is metal right over here. This is like the metal, fancier Apple Watch charging section over here. And this pops up like so that you can use it in night mode or just to visually see your watch. And then here, of course, is the MagSafe thing. Let's just clip that on there. Okay, holds it pretty well. Yeah, whoa. Okay, so it's perfectly fine for the desktop use. I probably wouldn't be hanging an iPhone 12 Pro Max on here. If I did mount to the wall, I suppose it could hold, but keep in mind that just with a bit of shaking, I guess with some fairly vigorous shaking, you can shake the phone off. Now this here is a lightning port, and they do give you the USB-C to lightning cable here, but what they don't provide, and is kind of important to have, is the USB-C power adapter. Now the ones that they recommend you do are not going to be the 29 watt version. The best possible fastest charging you're going to get of 14 watts into this guy is going to be using a 9 volt 3 amp USB-C powered capable adapter. All right, so if you don't have that, and I'll have links down below, then you're not going to get the 14 watts. If you use the lesser one, you're going to get 11 watts of charging, and that is with the standard Apple iPhone USB-C charger, that I believe the 18 watt version. Okay, so that one's not going to give you the fastest amount of charging, but you know, if you're not in a quick hurry, you're probably not going to be using a wireless charger anyway. I love how compact this is. This is really small. Look at that. This could easily fit in a pocket. This is probably really great to travel with. My concern is the durability of this thing. This is going to be fine, it feels like. But this type of twisting may not last as long as I'd like. Now, at $129, you can definitely get, let's just say if we price these separately, you're going to get $39 for the official Apple MagSafe Qi charger over here. And if you get on this side, I believe you can pay about $20-some for their official Apple charging cable that has the metal side. But you're not going to get this nice mechanism here that holds up like that. Now, Apple did sell one that was $129 retail that was just the Apple Watch portion, and it's just nice, made of leather. This one, you just kind of get both, but in a nice portable charging package. Now, here's the thing. You got this cable in here, and then you still need the power brick. So when you think about it, that is not really super duper portable and chargeable. Plus, it would have been really great, Apple, if you had made this actually USB-C input versus the Lightning port. This way, you'd have more compatibility across the board. Inside over here, you got this little packet of material that it just has a warranty summary, safety and handling information. Keep the Magsafe dual charger away from sources of liquid, drinks, oils, lotions, sinks, bathtubs, shower stalls. Protect the Magsafe from dampness, humidity, wet weather such as rains, snow, and fog. Warranty is, I believe, 1 year. Yeah, 1 year limited access warranty for Apple and Beats branded products only. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this guy in and charge up my watch and also charge up my phone. And even though it's a dual charger, you can actually just use one side of it at a time if you like. As you can see over here, I have this flipped over like so. It is in fact charging the Apple Watch. iPhone charging will also work. Put it away, just close it with the Apple side up, and this way there's no charging at all. That happens, and this is pretty much the way that you're supposed to be carrying it around. Time will tell how durable this is exactly, but for now, it is the most portable solution that is available that charges both your Apple Watch and your Magsafe compatible iPhone. Hey guys, I hope you like my initial impressions and first look review. Please like, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you next video. Just in case you wanted to make sure that this will charge with regular Qi, I have here an iPhone 11 Pro Max, and you stick it on there and it starts to charge. It doesn't give you that little circle thing because there's no detector on there, but it is in fact charging. I can see the little charge icon over there.